This is where Arduino starts to get interesting. You can now control things with a button, and this is where most beginners start to get confused. I'll show you exactly how to build this. By the end of this video, you'll have your first interactive Arduino project working, even if you've never done this before. This is what we're building, a simple button that controls an LED. Press it on, press it off. It's simple, but this is how real projects work. And this is the circuit diagram. So we're starting off with the Arduino. We're going to use an LED, making sure that the shorter end will be connected to ground. We're using a current limiting resistor, of course, which we have to use every time we use an LED. We're going to use a 4 pin switch. It's a push button switch, one to switch it on, and then the other switch to switch it off. So these are connected to ground on one side, and one side is connected to the Arduino as a digital input. We'll see later how the programming works on that. And of course, we need some wires to connect it all together. And of course, the breadboard. It's the first push button switch across the breadboard, because we're only going to be using 2 pins on each switch. And then we're going to connect one side of each of the switches to ground. We're going to use a common rail along the bottom. So remember, on the breadboard, the rails along the bottom are connected horizontally, and the ones in the middle are connected vertically. So we're adding our LED. One side of the LED, of course, the shorter leg will go to ground. And as you can see there, that's a common rail we're using. We're going to connect that rail to ground on the Arduino. And we're going to connect in the current limiting resistor into the positive pin of the LED. As you can see, the vertical traces are connected together there on that breadboard. And then we're going to connect the other side of resistor back to the Arduino, which will be the power 5 volts. We're going to get the 5 volts from this pin. We're going to name it pin 5. It's a digital input. We're going to actually make it a digital output, as you can see in the program in a few minutes. And we're now going to connect the 2 switches. So one switch is connected to pin digital input 8, which will be the B button, and then the A button will be connected to digital input 9. And of course, then we're going to complete our circuit by connecting ground from the common rail back to the ground on the Arduino. Okay, let's run some code and let's keep it simple. So first off, I'm in the Arduino IDE, and as you can see, every Arduino project starts with void setup and void loop. So first of all, we're going to declare some pins. So we're going to declare the LED power pin. As you remember, that was on pin 5, semicolon at the end. And we're going to declare the 2 buttons as digital inputs. So we're going to call it A button pin equals 9, and int B button pin equals 8. As you can see there, it was connected to digital input 8 and 9. Don't forget the semicolon. Okay, so now let's go into our code, and we're going to do pin mode, the LED power pin as an output, because that's where we're going to get our 5 volts from to power the LED. Okay, and then we're going to declare the A button pin as an input pull up, because the switches are connected to ground. The natural state is 0. So when we pull it up, it's the same as adding a 10 kilo ohm resistor in series. So we're going to do the same for the B button. pin. So that's going to be inputs, pull up. Okay, so that looks good. Now we'll go into the loop. And so what do we need to do here? So we need some if statements so that if one button is pressed, it's low on the input, and that will set the LED power pin high, which will turn on the LED. And then if we set the B button low, that will set the LED power pin low and turn off the LED. So we'll do if digital read A button pin, remember double equals, and we will open the curly bracket there, so we will digital read. So if you read low on A, then we should do a digital write on the LED power pin high. So that will turn on the LED. Okay, and then we'll do another if statement for digital read the B button. So again, double equals. If it's equal low, then we'll do curly brackets. So we'll do a digital write LED power pin low. Okay. So we'll give this curly brackets, this the curly brackets, some spelling mistakes. All right, so let's try to run that. So COM4, compiling sketch, we're getting some errors. Okay, it looks like it's compiled. And now we'll send this down to the Arduino, and hopefully we will get some results. Okay, now let's press A and B. A on, B off, A on, B off. Perfect. Excellent. So that's it, guys. So please subscribe, and we'll move on to the next lesson. Before I go, guys, if you want to follow along exactly what I did, I've linked the starter kit below. And if you haven't built your first project yet, watch that next. I'll show you step by step. And I'll see you in the next video.